This is Series 1, Episode 61. I'm going to be talking about this company, Upwork Inc., ticker symbol UPWK. You can see I've done a drawing on here. This is technical analysis with a trade idea, and I'll talk about that in a moment. But those who watch my videos regularly will know that I like to go into the fundamentals as well and explain why I think this is a good looking stock. So I'll do that now. So firstly, a bit of background about this company. Who are Upwork Inc? Well, they're a company that operates an online talent marketplace that enables businesses to find and work with various independent professionals and agencies around the world. So it's staffing and employment. And with the coronavirus under control at the moment, it looks like the market's opening up lovely. People are starting to employ again on a big scale. I think this could be poised to rocket. And I always look at that first of all, and I look at the technicals. The technicals also look really strong, which I will explain in a moment. In terms of fund ownership, institutional ownership, there's some big names behind this one, including Vanguard, Fidelity, and Morgan Stanley. So it's nice to see those big funds behind it. It's also a growth industry, staffing and employment services, top 10% of all industries at the moment in terms of growth potential. And the one thing I really like about these types of stocks that I'm picking at the moment is I'm looking for really strong stocks in terms of when you compare them against the entire US stock market, the 8,000 stocks roughly that are listed. I'm looking for the top performers in terms of strength, and this stock is in the top 5% of all stocks in terms of its strength at the moment. So I'm trying to get at the front of these high growth stocks in strong industries, and this appears to be one of them. And then finally, on the fundamentals, the earnings report isn't even due until August, so we have time. If I decide to get in on this, then I have plenty of time before the next earnings report. So as always, guys, I say it every single time, I'm about to go for a trade idea. If you follow my trade idea, that is entirely up to you. This is my trade. You're responsible for your own trading ideas. If you lose money, that is entirely up to you. If you make money, that's entirely up to you. So let me get cracking. So I've got my classic cup and handle here, guys. You'll need to read up if you want, but also watch my previous videos about cup and handles. They're very, very powerful. Look at this cup form, a nice base. Then we have this handle here. Let me see if I can change that. There's your base, your cup, then your handle's there. Now this actually has already confirmed as a breakout, because the breakout point was just about $50, which broke out there. So it's definitely trying to break out at this point. It hasn't done yet, which I'm surprised about, but the trading is what it is. And the reason I believe it's stopping there is quite obviously because of this. Let me just draw that in. It's support and resistance, classic support and resistance. Look at that. Let me show you. Price has come up to this level here, fallen away, come up, tested it again, fallen away, came right back that way. Tried it again there even, and then that was a big collapse. Now it's right back up to that level again. That is why it's holding. It's a natural area of resistance for the market, because it's also a round number, $50. So there it is, guys. It looks like it's trying to break out. Here's the trade idea. Let me bring it up on the screen. We want to see, well, I would like to see price less than $50. Now the take profit is up here at $60. The stop loss is here at $43. The reason I put 43 there is because of this is the handle of the cup and handle. I won't bore you with it all, but this is your kind of stop loss if you want to get out. Emergency stop would be right down there, because that's below the base. So there it is. There's the trade idea. Let me just bring that up again for you. There's the entry, stop loss, take profit. There it is, guys. If you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe, and tell your friends, of course. I really like the look of this stock. It looks poised to break out, provided the Nasdaq continues on its upward move.